फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। मैं आपको एक ऐसी स्ट्रेटजी बताने जा रहा हूँ विच विल बी यूज इन द ऑप्शंस एंड यू कैन यूज दिस स्ट्रेटजी ऑन इंडेक्स। I mean to say Nifty, you can use Nifty or any index. The strategy is called long straddle strategy. This is a option strategy and this is a very important strategy. You must look into and try to understand. Time frame for trade setup is 15 minutes and this can be used in swing trading also. Trade setup, stock markets should be bear or bull. Trade with primary trend with good quality. Trading preferred time 9:20 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and 1:40 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. So let's go ahead with long straddle. Long straddle is a option strategy where trader purchases both long call and long put on the same underlying asset with the same expiry date and strike price. So please remember, you have to use the same asset, same stock, and this should have same expiry and same strike price, and you have to buy long call and long put. The strike price is at the money or close to as it is possible, since call benefit from the upward move and put benefit downward move in the underlying security. Both of these components cancel out a small move in either direction. Therefore, the goal of straddle is to profit from very strong move usually triggered by a newsworthy event in either direction of the underlying asset. So once you are expecting a large move in upward and downward direction, then you can go ahead with long straddle strategy. This strategy can be used on Bank Nifty expiry on Thursday as per Indian market, or let's say any news is there, RBI policy is coming, or any major other event like a budget is coming, then you can use the strategy. The major points, what are the major point in long straddle? A long straddle is an option strategy attempting to profit from big unpredictable move. Please remember, the strategy includes buying both call and put option. Sophisticated calculation by the option seller make this strategy challenging. An alternate use for the strategy may be profit from rising demand for these options. So you see, this is a, I have shown you the diagram, long straddle diagram. X axis you see share price is there, and y axis in downward direction loss is there and profit is there, and the strike price, and there are two break even point and break even point 2, 1 and 2, and the strike price in between. You can correlate with the diagram. This is another diagram of long straddle. You see that here break even point is there, last point already mentioned, profit in rupees, both put and call strike price if goes in different direction, you see in upward, then it is a unlimited profit. You see that the break even point already shown and the last point already shown. So you understand long straddle. Long straddle option strategy is bet that the underlying asset will move significantly in price either higher or lower. The profit is same no matter which asset moves. Typically the trader thinks the underlying asset will move from a low volatility state to high volatility state based on the imminent release of new information. Trader may use long straddle ahead of news reports such as earning release, Fed action, the the passage of law or the result of election. The same assume that the market is waiting such event, so trading is uncertain and in small ranges. As the event, all pent up bullishness or bearishness is unleashed, sending the underlying asset moving quickly. Of course, since the actual event result is unknown, the trader doesn't know whether the direction is bullish or bearish. Therefore, long straddle is a logical strategy to profit from either outcome. But any like any investment strategy, long straddle has also a challenging a constructing a long struggle position have unlimited profit and limited risk. If the price of underlying asset continues to increase, the potential advantage is unlimited. If the price of underlying asset goes to zero, the profit would be the strike price less premiums paid for the option. In either case, the maximum risk is the total cost to enter the position, which is the price of the call option plus price of the put option. Where it can be used, the investor think that the underlying stock or index will experience significantly volatility in near term. Risk, what is risk? Limited to the initial premium paid. What is reward? Reward is unlimited. What is break even point? Break even point equal to strike price of long call plus net premium paid, that is upper lower break even point equal to stock price of long put minus net premium paid. Let's go ahead with the example of long straddle. So I am taking an example. It is just you have to correlate. For example, a stock has 50 rupees share price. A call option with a strike price 50 is as rupees 3, and the cost of put option with stock price also is rupees 3. Investor enter into straddle by purchasing of each option. This implies that the option seller expects 70% probability that move in stock will 6 rupees will be 6 rupees or in either of direction. However, the position will profit at the expiry if the stock is priced above 6 rupees or below 44, regardless how it was initially priced. The maximum loss 6 rupees per share, rupees 600 for one call and one put contract, occurs if the stock price precisely rupees 50 as close of the expiry. The trader will experience less than if the price is anywhere between 6 and 44 per share rupees. The trader will experience if the stock is higher than 56 or lower than 44. For example, if his stock price move 65 at the expiry, the position profit is 65 minus 50 minus 6 equal to 9 rupees. Because option seller recognize that there is an increased risk built into schedule news making event, they rise prices sufficient to cover what they expect, approximately 70% of anticipated event. This make it much more difficult trader to profit from the move because the price of straddle already include the mild move in either direction. If anticipated event will not generate a strong move in underlying security, the option purchase likely expires worthless, creating a loss to the trader. So this I covered this strategy. So I will again tell you what I covered. This is a strategy where long call and put of on the same underlying asset, strike price and expiry date has been bought. Long straddle is an option strategy attached to a profit from big or unpredictable move. This strategy includes buying a call and put option. This is the diagram I shown. Then you understand when this strategy used, trader may use long straddle ahead of news reports such as earning release, Fed action, the passage of law, or the result of election. They assume that the market is waiting for an event, so trading in uncertain and small ranges. So When this is used, the investor think the underlying stock or index will experience significant volatility in near term. Risk is limited to the initial premium paid, reward is unlimited. An example I already shown. So friend, this is a very important study. You must try to understand. You can correlate it. I have given you maximum information. This video is for learning purpose. Please subscribe video in case of not you subscribe, and press the bell icon, share to maximum people so they will be benefited by option strategies. I have already given my mail id, whatsapp number and mobile number. For any clarification you can contact me. And please have a paper trade and have a small quality trade, then you make yourself perfect, then you can be further go ahead. For to be a good trader, it takes year. Thank you friend, good night.